I finally got it. Here is the SC7 TRS, the TRRS patch cable by Røde, and I needed this so my Røde VideoMicro can work with my phone. So let's get this opened up. So first I have some adhesive plastic on the back, which you have to peel up. And then inside, there's a little pouch with the patch cable inside. Okay, so this black connector right here. This black connector goes inside the Røde VideoMicro, and this gray connector goes into your phone. So let's do a sound test. This is the audio of the iPhone 5S, and this is the audio of the Røde VideoMicro. So as you can hear, the sound quality of the Røde VideoMicro is way better than the sound quality of my phone. So I'll be able to take videos with the better sound. And so, as always, thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe to join the Navy Squad. See ya.